for joining us. That is the latest as far as wheat prices are concerned. Moving on, a survey by Kantar India has revealed that 4 out of 10 Indians expect an increase in the basic income tax exemption limit from the current 2.5 lakhs this upcoming budget. The survey was conducted among nearly 1,900 people across 12 key Indian cities. Shilpa joins us now with more. Shilpa, take us through the key expectations ahead of the budget.
Well, with no clear end in sight for the Russia and Ukraine war and expected economic slowdown, Indian consumers are cautiously optimistic. Now, that's what the Kantar's India Union Budget Survey says. Now, while about 50% of those surveyed believe that the Indian economy will grow in 2023, rising inflation is worrying 3 out of every 4 consumers that were surveyed who want the government to introduce decisive measures to tackle inflation, and job cuts being seen across industries, with 1 in 4 being worried about layoffs as well. Now, in such a scenario, what do Indian consumers want from the budget? Well, policy changes with respect to income tax seems to be the biggest hope, with the most common expectations among the salaried segment being an increase in the basic income tax exemption limit from the current 2.5 lakh rupees. Now, meanwhile, most businessmen and self-employed, they want the 10 lakh rupee threshold for the 30% tax slab rate to be raised as well. The consumers also want tax rebates under ATC and on health insurance to be increased. And as the new tax regime option enters its third year, over 50 consumers claim to be in favor of that over the old regime. Now, all in all, with inflation having pinched rural and middle-class households the most, the hope, as usual, seems to be a budget that puts more money back in their hands.
All right, Shilpa, many thanks for joining us. And that is it then on this edition of Business 360. Thanks very much for watching. Stay tuned to CNBC-TV18. The news continues. When we return, we're back after a very short break.